5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes.
Alright, what's up everybody? Quick video this week just showing you examples of all the automated modes that the DJI Mavic Mini uses. Now it's important to note that all of these clips are uncut and unedited, but I wanted to leave them that way just so you can see how the Mavic behaves under these smart modes. Ideally you want to cut a little bit before and after each clip to get the smoothest motions possible. And that kind of goes with any kind of filmmaking. So yes, short video this week, more in-depth videos to come. But be sure to subscribe to my Instagram for more drone related content and content across more digital mediums. So that's it, enjoy.